this morning we're going to be counting in 8s and 8s. So I know you've been doing a bit of practice with counting in 8s, so let's get going. To start off, I would recommend, if you're not too confident, writing them down, and I've already written mine, so if you want to count with me, let's get going. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. If you're really confident, you can skip that step and you can just count. Then let's see if we can do it without the board. Let's get going then. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. And then if you want to make it really tricky, get a grown-up or get an older brother or sister to count, but then miss some of the numbers out and see if you can work out what number it is. So something like this, where you might go 8, 16, 32, 40, and carry on, and maybe that person can click or clap every time you need to insert the number. So get practicing with your 8, and also there's some really good songs and counting raps on YouTube if you want to have a look for that. Okay, so next one, a little bit more tricky. We're counting in 8ths, so our fractions. Again, it may be on a piece of paper, or if you've got a whiteboard, first of all have a go writing them down. I've done that here, so let's, oops, one of mine's come off a little bit. So let's get counting, first of all, in our 8s. 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, 8 8. So 8 8. What is that the same as? Have a think. Yeah, you are right. 8 8 means that it is actually one whole. So we will just say when we get there 1, and then we'll go 1, 1 and 1 8, 1 and 2 8s, 1 and 3 8s, 1 and 4 8s, 1 and 5 8s, 1 and 6 8s, 1 and 7 8s, and then 2. And you can keep going as far as you want to. Again, then you might want to get rid of the paper, get rid of the board, and see if you can just count. So 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, one whole, and keep going. And then get maybe a grown-up or get your brother or sister to see if they can do the counting for you, and then miss something and see if you can work out what it is. Like this, for example, they could go 1 8, 3 8, 4 8, 6 8, 7 8, and every time they click or every time they clap, you've got to try and put the correct fraction in. Okay, so happy counting, have fun, bye.